Stupid bird. Where's the other one? Mm. Oh my god. Okay, that one just almost hit my head. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay. Damn, stupid birds. I opened the door and everything. Jesus. Okay. Where'd they go? Gosh. Hey bird, that's the window. You can't go out that way. You should fly and go out. See? Fly and get out. Please. I have to get out of here. Oh my god! Okay, you're scaring me. Ah! There! Now go down. Down and out. Ah! Okay, you're like freaking me out. Can you not see the door? Now go out. Out! Shoo. Okay. You just look dumb. Okay, where's your other friend? I think he probably went out. Smart one. You're just stupid. Ah! I'm sorry. I was just kidding. Okay. All you have to do is go down. Okay. You're kind of weird. Now go out. Don't hit me. Please. Shoo. Okay, just kidding. You're so stupid. That's a window. That's a window. That's the door. Hi. I have the worst luck with birds. Jesus. Yes, that's your nest right there. Now go out. Why are you so stupid? Gosh. Hello? Can you fly away? Okay. You scare me. That's a freaking window. Gee. You birds are so weird. Okay, I have to load my car. But I'm gonna leave the door open so you can leave. Where'd you go? Did you leave? Wait, I hear you. See, this is the door. And that's the door. I don't know why it's so hard for you to find your way out. Okay. I'm gonna leave. The door's open. Bye-bye.